Hello fellow crafters and welcome to MAXDMCRAFTING. This is a slightly different project than usual. QB is a small company that makes laser cut products and they were kind enough to send me this kit, a completely buildable MDF book Nook. In the past, I had looked for similar products on the internet to give a nice gift to my wife. What seemed like an excellent product online turned out to be really disappointing. To be perfectly honest, I didn't have high expectations, not even for this kit. The moment I had the box in my hand, however, I changed my mind. There was a lot of weight, indicative of the amount of material inside. I was really positively impressed. The instructions are clear and complete. A nice booklet to build your book Nook step by step. Wow, this is a lot of fun. Oh, this is so cute. Everything is accompanied by stickers for all the details of the furniture, and there is even a kit of mini LED bulbs for the light effects. Each panel is marked with a letter of the alphabet to help us in the assembly sequence. This really is the perfect idea for a gift and a fantastic accessory to embellish your bookcase. If you are interested, follow the link in the description box below and enter the code MAXDMCRAFTING for an exceptional discount. This way you will help the channel and you too can have fun with this fantastic kit. This is a very detailed kit with an infinite number of MDF panels cut with extreme precision by a laser cutting machine. I can happily say that if you are passionate about puzzles of Lego, this kit will give you a lot of joy and satisfaction. There are so many details. I can't wait to get started. Wish me good luck! This type of project is a really great solution to break the routine and yet remain in the DIY context. The very high number of details gives us a clear impression of how much love and passion is behind these kits. Many of the smaller pieces have spare backup pieces, which results in a ton of extra detail that I will be able to use in my future projects. The most interesting part is the integration of a small LED light circuit. Fun and really impressive. The book Nook Grandfather's Antique Store presents itself as a highly detailed environment to explore, admire, and truly represents a wonderful fantasy touch on our library. The time spent building every detail was both fun and relaxing. I can't wait to try more. Remember that if you want, you can order one from the link in the description box below this video. And if you enter the code MAXDMCRAFTING, you will get a special 8% discount. Not bad, huh? Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!